Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make fried rice with shrimp. This one is a healthier version than the original recipe, so hopefully you will like it. It's delicious. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. So we're going to start with the shrimp. Season the shrimp with black pepper to taste, and also add a pinch of ground ginger or a pinch of fresh ginger. And we will also add a splash of sesame oil and also add half a tablespoon of soy sauce. Give it a stir so all the shrimp will be really well seasoned, and then set it aside. Now we're going to preheat a large skillet or wok, and once the wok is heated through, now we're going to add in the shrimp and we're going to cook it for about a total of 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, the shrimp will have a pinkish color. That means the shrimp is cooked. So once the shrimp gets that pinkish color, remove it from the skillet and set it aside. In the same skillet or wok, now we're going to add in another splash of sesame oil, and we're going to add in the minced garlic, and also if you have some fresh ginger, you can also add some fresh ginger, about half a teaspoon or so. If you don't have any fresh ginger, just skip that step. And then we're going to cook the garlic for a few seconds. Then give it a stir and then add in the carrots. Season the carrots with a pinch of ground ginger. Cook for 1 more minute. And then we're going to add in half the green onions. Give it a stir and continue to cook for 1 more minute. Now we're going to add another splash of sesame oil, and right in the center of the wok, now we're going to add in 1 egg. We're going to cook the egg until it's well cooked. Just stir it with the rest of the ingredients, and then after the egg is well cooked, remove it from the wok. And then after that, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, then add in the rice. And for this recipe, I'm using white rice, but if you want to make this a little bit healthier, feel free to use whole wheat rice instead. So we're going to cook the rice in the oil for 1 minute, so it can absorb all the flavors from the oil and also all the flavors from the wok. Then after that, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Give it a stir, and then we're going to add in the shrimp and the egg mixture back into the skillet. Also add in the peas, give it a stir, and then add in the rest of the green onions. And continue to stir fry this for 1 more minute. Then taste the flavor and add more soy sauce if you think it's necessary. And that's about it. Once it's heated through and once you're happy with the flavor, now you can serve it. I really hope you like this video. This one is really easy and delicious, and it's healthier because it doesn't have as much oil. And like I said, you can make it healthier by using whole wheat rice if you want to. So hopefully you can give this a try. In the next video, I will show you how to make a smoothie that will help you improve the look of your skin. Please don't forget to share this video, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.